All right, so let's just do a quick tour here. I gotta run in about 3 minutes. Here is the main entrance. Hardwood floors, looks like LVP here. This goes into a garage, which is currently heated. There is a room back here, electric heat that goes out to the patio. Big deck. No egress from this top level deck here. Formal dining room. Kitchen. Patio. Out of the kitchen area. Looks like they got some nice rock features there in the back. A couple level decks. Fire ring down there. Heads down to the basement. We got bedroom number 1. Wood paneling that's been painted, carpeted. This is the main floor bathroom. LVP in here. Tile. Into the master bedroom here. Looking out over the neighbor's house. A smaller looking closet. Looks like there's a pretty steep grade for these homes right here. And that's probably why the boulder faces. I'm assuming it's gonna look very similar to this one. On the back, it's a little too cold for me out there today. Master bathroom. Tile closet. It is a little bit tight in here. Bedroom number 2. Heading in the basement. You got 2 options at the bottom. You can go left or right. Let's go left here. There is a, not sure what this is here. If this is like part of a, intention is for this to be a bedroom. It's kind of a dead space with that closet there. Utilities. Wash machine, dryer, furnace. Hot water heater. Another bedroom. Got some wood paneling that they did up here on the ceiling. Looks out to the deck. Kind of a tight little bathroom here. It looks like they bumped this out to fit a closet in here. Kind of makes it a little bit of like a, I feel a little bit of a trap coming through here. There's another, I'm not sure what this is. Technically, whenever you have a panel, you can't, you're supposed to have it like 6 feet away from a space or water or anything. I don't know if that was like the intention here. But you end up, there's sort of like this little triangle room here. We've got a bar area. Little built-in there. Another patio here off the back. Really good size family room. It's kind of split up a little. Not sure how somebody would utilize it exactly. Gas burning fireplace. Heading back into, this is another room here. This one also is not, they do have a duct connected up here, but there's also a supplemental electric heat without a vent on this backside, either a return or heat vent. It's gonna be a little bit of a chillier space without running the electric heat there. Carpet, tile. Some light shut off here. Sorry about that little spin there.